Welcome to this guide. Today you will learn how to permanently delete your Duolingo account. If you no longer want to use the app and want to remove your data, follow these steps carefully. Launch the Duolingo app on your smart device and make sure you are logged in to the account you want to delete. Tap your profile icon, which is usually located in the middle at the bottom of the screen. Then on the next page in the upper right corner of the screen, look for the gear-shaped settings option and then click on it. After opening the drop-down menu, scroll down to the profile option and then click on it. The app will open the next page where you can see the delete account option at the very bottom. Scroll down to it and click on it. By clicking on the delete account option, the app will explain in detail what will happen if you delete your account. If you still want to do so, just click on the delete account option. Once confirmed, Duolingo will begin processing your deletion request. This may take a few days. Once completed, all your data, including progress and achievements, will be permanently removed. And that's it! You have now successfully requested to delete your Duolingo account. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.